This is hi. This is the video number 2 on histogram. In previous video, they gave us the data and we drew the diagram, and from the diagram, we answered the question. In this particular, the diagram has been given to us, and there is only one frequency density that is given to us. So maybe based on this frequency density, I can decide each of their frequency density. That also I can do. Or let's see how does it come up with. But remember here, if they give you the diagram, this is most of the time we use this formula, k into f. Remember this formula. If they give you data, like in previous diagrams, the previous video, if they give you the data, we use the formula frequency density is equal to frequency divided by width. That is the formula we use if they give us the data. But here they gave us the diagram, so in that case we are going to use this formula. So let's see a histogram. This is of how much time does how many children are solving the puzzle and how much time did they take. So this is that data that has been given to us over here. Okay, so the histogram shows the variable t, which represents the time taken in seconds by a group of children solves puzzle. A shaded bar A represents, so this data has been given to you. Shaded bar A represents frequency of 78 children. So they said in this particular area there are 78 children are there. Okay, okay. So we know. Can we find the constant? Okay, why should histogram be used to represent the data? This is a very commonly asked questions. You just have to write time is continuous. Most of the time histogram they ask you this. Okay, but we just write the time is continuous. That's why we are using histogram to represent the data. So A part is sorted. Write down the underlying feature associated with each of the bars of the histogram. Answer is pretty obvious, that the area of each bar is directly proportional to the frequency. Okay, so now C part, so B part answer is done. That area of each bar is directly proportional to the frequency. That is B part answer. Now C part. What area on the histogram represents one child? So how much area is there for one child? Let's see. How many children are there in area A? In this bar A, 78 children. And what is the area of that bar? Area of that bar is 27.3 into 2, because 18 to 20 is 2. So equals to, we don't know what constant is it. Okay. Uh, okay, what constant is it? Acha, you know what? Here if we doesn't use constant, it's fine. This much area, this much centimeter square area for 78 children. 78 children. So for one children, how much area is there? That's what they are asking, right? For one child, how many this thing there? Actually, we are indirectly finding k only, to be honest. Okay, whatever. So now 27.3 into 2 divided by 78. 27.3 into 2 divided by 78. How much are we getting? 0.7. So we are getting 0.7. So that means 0.7 centimeter square or unit square. You can let me write centimeter square for one children. That's actually k. To be honest, this is k, because at the end of the day, that's what we would have done if we were finding k, right? Like, let me show you. 27.3 into 2 is equal to k into 78. I would have done that. So 27.3 into 2 divided by 78. Okay, answer was going to be 0.7 only. So this is 0.7. K stands for how many area for one child. Okay, now next they are asking, find the total number of children in the group. Now we have to find how much total number of children in the group. But they already told us what is the total area. You say, how did you get this total area? It has been given to us. Otherwise, if it was in some other sum, you should have individually found their area. You should have individually found their area to get the total area. But in this case, the total area has been given to us. So we can do it. Area is equal to k into f. This is I'm doing D part. Area is equal to k into f. How much is the total area? 210. K how much? 0.7. How much is the frequency? That's what we are supposed to find. How many kids are there total? So 210 divided by 0.7. Okay. How much is it? Frequency is 300. That means there are almost 300 children are there who are solving that puzzle. Okay. I hope you guys understood this question.